asking about educational workshops at the zoo.
Discover the exciting world of zoo workshops. From animal feeding to behind the scenes tours, learn about the various educational activities available at the zoo. Find out how to sign up, what age groups can participate, and explore topics like elephant care, big cats, and animal conservation efforts.
Hey Joe, I heard the zoo has some cool workshops. Do you know anything about them?
Yeah, I've heard about those too. They sound really fun and educational.
What kind of workshops do they have? I'm curious to learn more.
I think they have animal feeding workshops and behind the scenes tours. They also do some crafts and games for kids.
That sounds awesome. Do you know how we can sign up for these workshops?
I'm not sure, but we could probably ask at the information desk. They should have all the details.
Good idea. I wonder if the workshops are just for kids or if adults can join too.
I bet they have options for all ages. It would be fun to learn more about the animals.
Definitely. I'd love to learn how they take care of the elephants. Do you think they have a workshop about that?
They might. Elephants are popular, so I wouldn't be surprised if they did.
Let's go ask at the information desk right now. I'm excited to find out more.
Okay, let's do it. Maybe we can sign up for a workshop today if there's space.
That would be great. I hope they have something about big cats too. I love tigers and lions.
Me too. And it would be cool to learn about how the zoo helps save endangered animals.
You're right. These workshops could teach us a lot about animal conservation. Let's hurry and get the information.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to learning new things about animals at the zoo.